the control panel. From left to right on the control panel, you will see the vacuum gauge. It shows you the vacuum level intuitively. The display. It shows the status of the machine. Smart Vac button. If you use this function, the CV10 can automatically control the vacuum time according to food volume and bag sizes. Customize Vac button. In this mode, you can set the vacuum time. I will show you later in this video. Marinate accessory button. You can efficiently marinate foods or vacuum external accessories with it. The seal button. If you need to make bag from a length of roll, use this function. And this is the start-stop button. To open the lid, simply press the side button. The seal bar is wrapped separately from the machine when you unbox it. You need to install it before use. Simply put it in the slot like this. You can easily remove the seal bar by pressing one end and take it off from the slot. To close the lid, please firmly press the two corners. The clip secures the bag and ensures proper sealing. Push it down when using the external vacuum or seal mode.